Tired of hunting for the copy link button in Smartsheet? Learn 2 fast ways to grab it in under 30 seconds. First, I'll show you the standard share menu method, then a hidden file properties trick. Let's start. Start on the Smartsheet homepage, where you'll see your list of sheets. Go ahead and open the sheet you want to work with by clicking on its name. Now, click on Share at the top right corner of the screen. Then, in the drop-down that appears, click on Sheet. Finally, click on Copy Link to copy the sheet link to your clipboard. Here's another way to get the link. Click on File at the top left corner of the sheet. Then, click on Properties in the menu. In the Properties panel, you'll see the sheet link displayed. Click on the link and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.